Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dream Trip Oz, and we have got heaps of action coming up. Today we're exploring right in our backyard the beautiful Otways State Forest and National Park. Come and check it out. First stop for the morning, the California Redwoods plantation. This place is super cool. Some massive trees here. It's quite strange to be right in the middle of an Australian rainforest and come across these California redwoods, but come and check it out. It looks epic. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh wow, look at this place. This is stunning. Oh, it's magic. It's so cool. It's super cool in here. The moment you step into the shade, it's unreal.
Yeah.
Righto, next stop for the day, Beauchamp Falls. I think that's how it's pronounced, I don't know. I'll pop it on the screen here like I always do and you can make up your own minds. Beautiful spot. There's a free camp here by the looks of things. The Otways is just dotted, littered with these campgrounds. They're just awesome. I can see there's a couple of vans in here too, despite the windy as roads. But, oh well, there's lots of facilities, there's toilets and all that sort of stuff. Plenty of fire pits with the barbecue, the steel barbecue tops and stuff that swing over them. Camp, what do you call it? Picnic tables and stuff like that. Beautiful spot. Anyway, it's a short walk from here. I'll get you all the info as we go, but I'm keen to see it. Beauchamp Falls, come for a walk. Well, there you have it. It's 2.5 k's return. So they say to allow an hour to an hour and a half or something like that. But I've seen a lot of people walking out with towels on. There must be some swimming down the bottom here. So I don't know. It's not exactly swimming weather, I tell you. We've, over the past 12 months, become accustomed to swimming in much warmer weather. But we'll see. You never know what might tickle the fancy when we get to the bottom. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll see you down there. Oh, would you look at this? That is just awesome. Just you wait. Check it out. Oh, it's beautiful.
12 o'clock on the wheel of the car, the other resting up against the half-open window. The sun bathes my skin with its warm energy. Gusts of wind ripple in and dance through my hair as I stare along the straightest road I've ever seen. Each new horizon goes on forever. Let's see what we can find. We won't pretend.
Stay off me.
Oh my god. Well, you wouldn't think it was the middle of summer, I tell you what. Oh my goodness. Well, what goes down must come up, eh? It's not a difficult walk, but it does get steep towards the end, so we'll be taking our time on the way back up, I betcha. Righto guys, if you are just joining us, 2023 last year was an epic year. We did a huge lap right around this beautiful country and came all the way full circle back to Geelong, where we started from, our hometown. That's where our heart is, our family and friends, and we're back here now, but it's only temporary, believe me, hey? Soon enough we will be planning and off on our next big trip, so make sure, if you haven't already, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and hit that notification bell too so that you do not miss a thing. We've still got plenty of content coming up. There's plenty to see and do around our hometown of Victoria. This weekend, we're in the beautiful Otways, eh? What a stunning spot. There's so much to see and do. Of course, we won't be able to see it all in one weekend, so stay tuned. There'll be plenty more Otways action to come. But we got lots and lots of videos coming up, lots of travel around Victoria, probably back into South Australia as well. We love that spot. And of course, plenty of DIY and how-to videos coming up as well. So make sure you give us a subscribe and you won't miss a thing. But today, stay tuned. We're at Stevensons Falls. We're camping here 2 nights. Stevo's campground. It's just magic, really well appointed. Toilets, the sites are really well set up. It's all brand new, by the way. They've just revamped it, I think, just before Christmas. So get down and check it out. Free, completely free. The Otways, you will find, is littered with these kinds of campgrounds, and it's the perfect place to get out and explore. Heaps to see and do. So stay tuned. When we get back to camp, we're going to take us a walk down to Stevensons Falls. Rock and roll. So from the campground, it's probably about a 4.5 kilometre return walk from the campground. But you can drive closer. There is a car park closer. I'll see if I can figure out how much closer the car park is, so that if you do drive straight there, it's a shorter walk. But the track is really well maintained and a very easy walk and beautiful. The scenery here is not to be underestimated. It's stunning. The Otways, highly recommend. Oh, there you have it. It's only 650 metres to the falls from this car park, and it's 1.5 kilometres from here back to the campground, so nice and easy. The scenery's spectacular. Come for a walk. We're almost there. Isn't it awesome? I know. Geez, look at this place. They put a lot of effort into the infrastructure here. It's beautiful. How is it, kiddos?
Super good. And we're getting hot chockies with marshmallows on them.
Oh, lucky kids.
Small break.
And here we are, hey? Home sweet home for the next 6 nights I think we've got here, so I'm pumped. What a beautiful spot, hey? It's so peaceful now, but just you wait. I reckon it's going to get busy, hey? What do you reckon, darling?
It's going to be feral.
Anyway, we'll see. Righto, it's day one, morning one of our camping trip to Dandos Campground in the Otways. Now, we could actually be in the Otways Forest Park, which is a bit different to a national park. I'm not entirely sure of the definition, but I'll see if I can find out some info here. But tell you what, for one of the wettest spots in Victoria, it has not disappointed. We've had rain all morning. It's wet, it's cold. I don't know, I'm going to say maybe 10 or 11 degrees this morning, but it's still a beautiful spot, hey, despite the weather. Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, it's still bleeding.
To put a map in here because I've got no idea how we got here or even in which direction we've gone because the roads are so windy. There's some steep roads, some windy roads, some loose stuff, some wet stuff, so be careful when you do come here. But we have rolled up now at Hopetoun Falls. Come and check it out. Ah, looks pretty good down there. Apparently it's what, 30 minutes, darling?
Yeah.
Easy. Let's roll.
30 minutes down.
Would you look at this? Oh, it's beautiful. Well, I'm definitely going to throw up a map here so you get a feel for the lay of the land and how long it takes to get to places and how far apart things are, because I'm struggling at the minute. But check it out, we're in a little spot called Beech Forrest. Tiny little one-horse town. If you blink you'd miss it, but check it out. There's some epic wood carvings. Come and have a look. Oh, aren't they cool?
We can't go past the point of interest. Yeah. It worked today for yoga.
Well, we've had a beautiful morning. We took advantage of the nice weather and went and had a swim at Stevensons Falls again, which was just beautiful. We've just cooked up some lunch in a little spot called Forrest. There's a mountain bike park here and a nice spot with some picnic tables, toilets and that sort of thing. So we've stopped in, had some lunch. We're going to move on now. Keep heading sort of, I think from here it's kind of southwest to a spot called Lake Elizabeth. Stay tuned, it's supposed to be beautiful. There's a 2 kilometre circuit walk loop track thing there, so stay tuned. Let's go. Oh, what an awesome track. Hey, it's beautiful. We've been walking for a little while now. It's a little bit challenging. There's some steep bits, some ups and downs, but all in all, beautiful track. Hey, can't wait to see the lake. We'll keep pushing. Oh, wow, we should look at this, hey. It's so worth it. What a spot. Good morning guys, happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday and it's been a beautiful morning so far. We did an Easter egg hunt with the kids this morning. They absolutely loved it. There were eggs everywhere and we just basically had a really cruisy morning sitting around the campfire and but it's about 11:30 now and we're all keen to get down to the coast. It's supposed to be 27 degrees today and we're only a short drive from Apollo Bay, which is on the Great Ocean Road. Now, the Great Ocean Road is hugely popular. It's popular all over the world for tourists. We will do another episode, so make sure you give us a like and a subscribe so that you don't miss it. But we will do a fully detailed Great Ocean Road episode in the future, so stay tuned. But today we're just going to head down and hit Apollo Bay. Here goes. Well, it's Easter Monday and we got one more night here. We've decided to stay an extra night, make the most of it. Everyone's starting to pack up, of course, so it's going to be nice and quiet soon, just like the first night we got here. But my cousin and all the kids are down here having a fish. Let's go check it out. Hey, Darcy. Well, in true Otways fashion, hey? Perfect one day, torrential rain the next, hey? This just blew in moments ago. We've all hustled to get our stuff all packed away, and we might regret staying that one last night, hey? Everybody else has bailed, so anyway, we're gonna weather the storm, and fingers crossed it blows over overnight and we can get out of here okay, because it's the roads are pretty steep. Anyway. Stay tuned, it might be cards for the rest of the day. There is nothing fun about packing up in the rain, but we probably should have left when we heard the forecast was for rain for the next 4 days or something ridiculous. But we have had the best time camping here in the Otways. Easter long weekend. Don't let a little rain deter you from going camping. It's just a bit of wet, never hurt anyone. You can always pull everything out when you get home, dry it off, give it a good clean. In fact, make sure you do, because if you leave it stored away, it's just gonna get moldy and stuff. But look at this beautiful place, eh? One last time before we hit the Frog and Toad and make our way home. That's the thing about camping here in your own backyard, is it's only a 2-hour drive or less back to Geelong, back to our home. And we can do this anytime we like. Nothing stopping you, nothing stopping me. Get out of here, get amongst it, rock and roll. We'll see you next time.